In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a user in Calendly. Inviting another user to your Calendly account is really helpful when you're working with a team, an assistant, or anyone else who needs to share their availability under the same workspace. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click, what to look out for, and what to expect on screen so you can get everything set up smoothly. First, sign into your Calendly account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is the page where you usually see your event types and upcoming meetings. From here, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon or option related to inviting users or managing your team. Go ahead and click on that invite user icon. This is the starting point for adding someone new to your Calendly workspace. Now, before you can actually complete the invitation, Calendly may require you to upgrade your plan. Team features, including inviting additional users, are typically only available on certain paid plans. If you're currently on a free plan or on a plan that doesn't support multiple users, Calendly will prompt you to upgrade at this stage. Follow the prompt to upgrade your plan. You'll usually be guided through selecting a subscription that includes team functionality. Take a moment to review the options and choose the one that best fits how many people you plan to add and how often you use Calendly. Once you've chosen your plan, you'll be asked to confirm your billing details and complete the upgrade. After that, you'll be returned to the area where you can invite users. With the correct plan active, you're now ready to proceed. Calendly will display on-screen prompts that walk you through the invitation process. Typically, you'll be asked for the email address of the person you want to invite. Enter their details carefully and then continue following each prompt that appears. The system may ask you to assign a role or specify certain permissions, such as whether this person is a regular team member, an admin, or has limited access. Read each description on screen so you choose the level of access that matches what they actually need. When you're done, confirm and send the invitation. That's all there is to it. By clicking the invite user icon, upgrading your plan when required, and simply following the on-screen prompts, you'll have your new user added to Calendly and ready to collaborate on scheduling.